The D80 printer is the latest addition to the Mitsubishi Electric US line of die-sub printers. What makes this event and photo booth printer stand out is the new ink rewind and rollback function, optimizing prints by rolling back the ink ribbon and using the normally unused excess ribbon. Other key features in the D80 include high-density print images, clear and vibrant colors, matte or glossy finishes, fast print speed, and high-capacity printing, all in a compact form factor. The D80 printer also has the capabilities to produce 4 different print sizes: 2x6, 4x6, 6x6, and 6x8 print sizes, all from the same media roll. For more information on the D80 printer, give us products from Mitsubishi Electric.